Hello, I'm Dr. Henry Wilson, immediate past president of the American College of Cardiology, and I'm one of many inviting you to Riyadh Structural Heart, January 9-11, this 2025. Coming up very soon. It's going to be exciting. It's a growing program of the best structural heart interventionalists and therapies and new diagnostics in the Middle East, and international faculty, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Don't forget to join us at the Riyadh Structural Heart meeting in Riyadh, January 9th to 11th, 2025.